today's video is a little bit different. We're not travelling anywhere. Today I'm staying in a private lodge in Whitekirk Hill, which is just south of North Berwick, east of Edinburgh. So in this video I want to show you what I'm getting up to. We've got pool, sauna, steam room, hot tub, gym and airsoft. And I'm going to take you along for a full day of that. First off, the pool. Nice relax here. It's 8:40 in the morning. Check it out. Right, that was brilliant. Out of the pool now. A couple of laps up in that pool. It's really nice. Really warm in there. All recovered now. Now it's time for a bit of airsoft. Right, just drop some stuff up at the lodge there. We're going to head over. It's only like a couple minute walk on this site to the airsoft site. Just a couple minutes away from the lodge is the main area where all the food is. The pool, gym. And then basically it's just the lodges up there. Some more around there. And then there's a few more dotted around the site. There's a gun range there, just going to get checked in. And then there's some sort of obstacle course thing you can do as well, so it's quite a lot to do.
Yeah, so we're going to be using 4 of these top 5 rifles up here today, and we're going to be shooting the zombie targets. Alright, okay. And we pin them onto one of the zombies, write your name at the bottom there. We use the sniper rifles to shoot the paper targets, and again that's to see who's the champions. Let's pick this one because it's a light. When I put it over there, excuse me, over there for you, I'll flick it around to here, which is a semi-automatic. Sure. So every time you pull the trigger, a BB's going to come out. Yes, good shot. Okay, move on to the next girl. So we're setting up this one. We're calling Scotland. Yeah. Get that out, rent it out. Yeah.
Right, there we go, that was fantastic. I'm glad we did that. That was a great experience. Shooting the crap out of things. Now go back for a wee rest. Pretty windy and cold, and then we'll be getting back in the pool. Right, we're back out again, just finished the wee editing session on the laptop. Back to the pool and the gym now. Get a wee mini workout and then we'll get the pool, the sauna again. Right, just arrived at the gym. Quick session, got dumbbells, benches, and then we've got the cardio equipment over there. Fairly straightforward, nice gym, I like that, compact, let's do it. Right, workout done. Time for the pool and sauna. Right, let's do a lodge tour then. So as you come in, just these double doors here. And there's a hot tub out there. We've got a nice, it's a big open plan area. So you've got the kitchen there, seating area. And you've got a smart TV up here. And then there's the 2 rooms. And there's another room over there. Bathroom and utility. So it's a nice chairs here. For getting some work done. It really is quite comfy. Yeah, you've got cupboards and it comes with plates, cups, cutlery, everything you need. Got a hob there, toaster, microwave, kettle, nice sink, and then over here is your freezer and fridge. Yeah, it's really nice, and you've got a nice big dining table here. This is the utility room. This is one of the bathrooms. So this one has a bath, but it can be used as a shower as well, so it's one of those combos. And then just beyond this bathroom, you've got one of the first rooms. So then from the left hand side as you come in, you've got this room. So yeah, it's double beds. You've got 2 bedside tables each side, wardrobe. So just as you come out of there, you've got the main bedroom, the master bedroom, which has got a double bed and 2 bedside tables. Also got a wardrobe there. And then you've got an ensuite. which is just nice and simple, but this one's just a shower rather than the bath shower combo. So yeah, really nice. And one thing to note, you do get shower gels and all that given to you. So overall, yeah, it's really nice, this lodge in Whitekirk Hill. I definitely would recommend it. It's really nice and peaceful, and we've got a good view of the North Sea. Right, so the time now is 7:30 and I've just finished a bit of work on the video, been editing it. So I've been relaxing here on a nice comfy bed. It's a really nice lodge. So now that I've got some work done, I've also had some dinner. I'm gonna jump in the hot tub. Right, here we go, let's get in the hot tub. It's pretty dark. Sunset maybe half an hour ago. So it's a wood fire hot tub, so we've got a fire going in here. Whoa. Yep, pretty hot. Right, here we go, I've got the lid off. I've stuck the light on. There's 3 buttons here. So one is for a jet, another is for a jet, and then the other one is LED. So this one's LED, that's a jet and jet. Stick the jets on. And happy days, let's get in here. Oh, it's absolutely roasting hot. This is brilliant. I'm going to enjoy this for the next 2 hours. So that concludes the day here at Whitekirk Hill. I want to thank you for watching, and as always, I'll see you in the next one.